When it comes to cookware, choosing the right set can be an overwhelming task, given the numerous options available. However, if you're looking for a combination of durability, performance, and health-conscious design, this Blue Diamond 14-piece cookware set might just be the solution. Packed with features that promise a healthier cooking experience, this cookware set elevates your kitchen game with its innovative diamond-infused coating, ensuring superior performance, safety, and ease of use. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting your culinary journey, this set is designed to provide outstanding results every time. Key features and benefits of the Blue Diamond 14-piece cookware set. 1. Diamond-infused nonstick coating, the secret to durability. One of the standout features of the Blue Diamond 14-piece cookware set is its revolutionary diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating. This cutting-edge technology makes the cookware 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional nonstick pans. The diamonds themselves are 4 times more heat-conductive than copper, which means that the pans heat up incredibly fast and distribute heat evenly. This ensures that your meals cook consistently, without any hot or cold spots. The nonstick coating also makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Food slides off effortlessly, reducing the need for oils and butter, which means healthier meals and less cleanup afterward. No more scrubbing or soaking. This set is designed for convenience. 2. Toxin-free cooking. Healthier meals for you and your family. When it comes to cookware, safety is paramount. The Blue Diamond cookware set is 100% toxin-free, making it a perfect choice for health-conscious individuals. The ceramic nonstick coating is free of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, which are commonly found in traditional nonstick pans. By choosing this set, you're ensuring that your food remains uncontaminated, and you're avoiding exposure to harmful toxins that can leach into your meals while cooking. This level of safety and health-conscious design makes it an ideal choice for those cooking for children, pregnant women, or anyone who values toxin-free living. 3. Exceptional heat transfer. Cook smarter, not harder. Thanks to the diamond-infused coating and the high-quality aluminum bodies, the Blue Diamond cookware set provides 4 times better heat transfer than traditional nonstick pans. This means your pans heat up quickly and evenly, which results in faster cooking times and energy savings. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or simmering, the cookware distributes heat efficiently, preventing any hot spots or uneven cooking. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals. 4. Oven-safe and versatile. Perfect for every meal. This cookware set is incredibly versatile, offering features that allow you to cook in a variety of ways. Not only is it safe for use on all stovetops, except induction, but it's also oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're searing a steak, baking a casserole, or broiling your favorite dish, the Blue Diamond set can handle it all. The tempered glass lids with steam vents also allow you to monitor your food as it cooks, without lifting the lid and losing heat. 5. Dishwasher safe. Effortless cleanup. Cleaning up after a meal shouldn't be a chore, and with the Blue Diamond cookware set, it's anything but. The non-stick coating and durable construction make the cookware easy to clean by hand, but for added convenience, the pans are dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to hours of scrubbing and soaking. Simply pop the cookware in the dishwasher and let the machine do the work. Why choose the Blue Diamond cookware set? The Blue Diamond 14-piece cookware set offers an unbeatable combination of durability, heat efficiency, and toxin-free cooking. Whether you're looking to replace your old, scratched-up pans, or you're investing in your first set of cookware, this set provides everything you need for a healthier, more efficient cooking experience. The diamond-infused nonstick coating and the warp control base ensure that these pans will last for years, while the ergonomic handles and versatile design make them a pleasure to use in any kitchen. Conclusion: is the Blue Diamond 14-piece cookware set worth it? In conclusion, the Blue Diamond 14-piece cookware set is a premium choice for anyone looking for high-performance cookware that delivers outstanding results. Its diamond-infused coating, toxin-free construction, and oven-safe design make it a standout in the market. If you're tired of dealing with flimsy, scratched nonstick cookware that doesn't hold up over time, this set is the solution you've been waiting for. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.